in order to ensure hygiene. Production process then starts from blending the meal, that is rice, corn and gram at a certain ratio. Tested water is also added for perfect extrusion. The mixture is then passed through an apparatus called the extruder, through which the blended meal is converted into kurkure. From extrusion process, it then goes into the fryer, where the raw collets are fried in edible oil to ensure the best taste and crunchiness. After frying, the kurkure goes through a seasoning tumbler. Kurkure is sprinkled with the spice mix seasoning before it proceeds towards the retention conveyor system. Yummy finger-licking kurkure is now ready for packing. But even before its final departure, the product is scanned to make final assurances that no foreign particles have entered the product. The packaging material is approved by the Quality Control Lab before it goes to the packaging section. It is therefore no surprise that when an unannounced audit was done on one of our facilities by the American Institute of Bakers, the facility was ranked amongst the highest all India across all standards. PepsiCo's values globally have the highest commitment to protecting the environment. The kurkure manufacturing facility is one such shining example. No wonder the brand has been consistent. This namkeen snack continues to delight consumers across India with its imperfect shape and the perfect delectable taste.